Thomas.
Hey, Bree.
So what's a day like in the life of a horse ranger?
Bree, this is how our day starts here at the stable. We start off by getting our horses, grooming them, and then we go out to the field to open for our rhinos, do patrol, clean our water basins.
So what are we going to be looking out for when we're out and about on patrol?
Are we going to be looking for food tracks?
Okay.
Anything that's suspicious.
That's out of the ordinary?
If there's no fence that has been broken, you know. So I'm not only looking after rhinos, there's also a whole lot of animals that are also under my care that I need to check on a daily basis, like kudus, wildebeest, you know, just to make sure that they also fine.
Okay.
When it comes to security measures, there's a long list, and with that goes a very long list of costs and hidden costs. To start with, we've got 50 guys working here. There's about 20 rangers, and then the rest is support staff, feeding the rhinos, taking care of maintenance, etc. And you know, if you employ 50 people, it's not only their salaries. They have to stay somewhere on the reserve. They have to be fed. You know, they have to have clothing. They need gear and equipment. You know, the rangers, for instance, you know, each ranger's got 2 horses. They patrol on horseback. Each ranger's got a motorcycle. Just the gear that's needed, you know, their binoculars, their guns, the training, etc. You know, it all adds up. You know, if you take the horses, for instance, it's not just buying the horses and feeding them. You have to have a farrier work on their feet every 4 to 6 weeks. The saddles, the veterinary cost, you know, the list just goes on and on.
I'm not going to see them go extinct while I'm alive.